What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2022 Hot Wheels Premium, and that's right, we have a 1995 Toyota Celica GT-Four. And this is the first casting, or the first edition of this particular casting. This is a premium casting. There we go, 2022, 5 of 5 from the Card Culture Premium series called, where's the name of it? Mountain Drifters. That's the name of the series. There we go, nice card art. And I'm opening this one right now because I just bought a Celica a few weeks ago, I think. It's a 96 GT, not a 95 GT-Four, but close enough. This is the closest thing I could find to it. And it's red, so I mean, maybe I'll just try to find a red one of these with chrome wheels. I know they have a red one, but that one needs to have different wheels. But yeah, I would have put a picture on screen of it. That's the most desirable one of this set right there. And then probably that one next. These two, I don't really know. I haven't really known how desirable that one is. But that was the only one I saw on the shelf. 2021 casting copyright. Here we go. Really nice yellow Toyota Celica. Let's get it open. I always have a hard time opening these premiums. They never come apart right. Let's see if I can get it this time. And there we go. That was a lot better than I thought it would be. Very nice. Let's take a look. Beautiful, beautiful yellow. And loving the 5-spoke chrome rims. These rims are very close to the ones I have on the actual car. But there you go. Very nice. Wow, that looks amazing. GT-Four with beautiful chrome rims. Matte metal base. Rubber tires. There's slicks. I think those are the 5 spokes. Mags or something. There's the front. Very detailed. Love the Toyota front end. There's the grille right there. Mine doesn't have a grille like that. But there you go. Fog lights at the bottom too. That's really cool. And amber lights right there. Directionals rather as well. There is the black interior. A roof scoop. Mine has a sunroof, but not a roof scoop. There is the side there, 2-door. Very nice casting. GT-Four. Here's the back right there. Celica GT-Four. Right on the back. Very nice casting. Spoiler on the back. Mine's not quite that high, but anyways, very nice. Very clean one. I'll probably just put this in my car to keep it because it just looks so similar. These are great cars, and this is a great Hot Wheels to have in my collection. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.